Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn how to submit a complete case to Titan Lab using Titan Dental Design. This service allows doctors to delegate the aligner planning and production process, ensuring everything is done professionally and efficiently. Additionally, we'll look at how you can review, request adjustments, and approve the schedule to ensure the treatment is perfect before printing. The first step is to create a new patient within the program. This will be the profile, where we will store all the information necessary to send the case. Within the patient profile, you will see a button called Full Case. This button allows you to send the completed case to the Titan Lab for planning. When you select Full Case, a window opens where you must upload the following elements: dental scans of the maxilla and mandible, photographs of the patient, and X-rays. In the location section, you can decide who will be responsible for planning and who will be responsible for printing the aligners. In this video, we will show the option in which Titan Lab takes care of the entire process, from planning to printing, ensuring a complete and efficient workflow. Optionally, you can add other details such as clinical findings, CBCT, or any additional notes that you want the laboratory to take into account. In this case, I will leave 2 instructions. If you need us to explain any of these options in more depth, don't forget to leave it in the comments. Once you have completed all the information, click Submit to Lab. This will send the case to the lab, and it will appear on the schedule with the status inquiry. This indicates that the laboratory is already working on the case. When the lab completes planning, the case status will change to Action Required. You'll be able to review the plan, and if there is something that does not convince you, you can request changes directly from the program. Here I will leave a comment again requesting a change. Then again click on Submit to Lab. After some time, as you can see, they modified the planning. Once you review and agree with the schedule sent by Titan Lab, click the Approve button. Then a new window will appear to generate the print order. Here you can define certain parameters such as delivery days, configure shipping batches, among others. Once everything is configured, proceed to payment. After paying, the print order will automatically appear in the print table with the initial status of inquiry. From here, Titan Lab will proceed with printing and shipping the aligners to your office. As you saw, the process is very simple and is designed so that doctors can delegate the entire planning to Titan Lab. Additionally, if you have questions or want to request any changes, you can always contact the laboratory and they will make the necessary adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.